Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start about to go to copy, drop down, show. This is about to be about or drop shadow, sorry. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to follow through everything that we gonna about to understand, about to be understanding it on this moment through every single progress. So we are about to go here on select the object that you want about to go here, and then start to see this kind of the stork right here, or maybe something that is really already a bit. Right click, and then maybe we can start right here to go through the effects. As you can see, the drop shadow is about right here, so we can start right now to see the drop shadow. It cannot be copied like this, but you can actually start to add the position and the blur, and they started to take each number of it and its color, and maybe the shadow can be red like this, and we can start actually to take this color of shadow and copy it and paste it on another way.